avid believer in having the right tools in your arsenal as being one of the most important things anyone can do within their respective professions. And as filmmakers, hobbyists, and pros alike, there's no denying that sometimes going big means a hell of a lot smoother ride. And if you hear background noise from time to time in this video, I live in Brooklyn in a very big apartment complex, and there's loud children outside my door. Part of life, we just deal with it. Let's continue. For today's video, I wanted to put the Logitech G900 and the Logitech G502 side by side and really figure out what both of these gaming mouses bring to the table, and if one is really better than the other. Right off the bat, looking at both of these mice, if you look closer, you can notice a few differences design-wise, such as the G502 being more suitable for the hand, whereas the G900 is far more symmetrical. It looks so much more sexier on a desk versus the G502, but in my opinion, the G502 feels better. The G502 is a wired mouse, whereas the G900 is wireless. This again is a preference feature. Some say the wired G502 is a con, but I disagree. I don't have to worry about the battery dying on me in the middle of an important meeting or editing session, but to note, the G900 has a pretty decent battery life, between 24 and 32 hours, depending on if you have the LED turned on or off. But if you're a serious enthusiast, you can pick up the Logitech PowerPlay wireless charging system. I've never used it before, but apparently it's a mouse pad that will charge your mouse. Links down below. Personally, I'll stick to my dirty white mouse pad that looked way cooler when I first got it. Let's be honest, white mouse pads do not look as good as they always look in videos. Those people are lying. They get so nasty. Coffee stains, it's terrible. When it comes to macros, both the G502 and G900 offer the ability to program key commands for After Effects, Premiere Pro, all that stuff, or any other software out there. This is where I believe gaming mice outperform any professional mouse. You can program shortcuts right into the mouse via the Logitech software that works for Mac and PC. The G502 offers the neat ability to add various small weights in the bottom of the mouse. The G900 is not able to do that. Personally, I like a heavier mouse, and this is where this feature stands out. When it comes to response time, both mice perform great. I've never had a problem. Occasionally, I will have a Bluetooth disconnect with the G900, but that can be related to my computer and not the mouse itself. And I wouldn't ding a point against the G900 just for that. You heard that right. The G900 works with a Bluetooth adapter, which means you're still plugging something into a USB port. Wired or not, you're taking up space. When it comes to the G900, I love its portability. Nothing like throwing it in a bag and heading out the door. It's good to have quality on the go. The G502 is super durable. Guys, I've had this mouse for about 2 years now, and it still works like a charm. I think when it comes to making a purchase, it's always nice to know that that purchase is built to be sustainable. I mean, look at it. 2 years later, and this thing is kind of gross. I don't know what the heck is on the bottom, but I don't care, because it does a solid job. Both the G502 and G900 offer the ability to create presets. And when I say presets, I mean you can switch between an After Effects preset on the mouse or Premiere Pro, then to Photoshop, you can switch back and forth because the shortcuts may change per application. Overall, both these mice perform pretty well, but if I was forced to choose and price wasn't important, I would still go with the G502. It's really reliable and easy to use, even though it has a wire. This doesn't stop the fact that it's a great product and works like a charm. So all in all, I'm sure 2 years from now, the G502 will be sitting on my desk and look a lot grosser, but it'll still get the job done. As always guys, I'm Max. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. If you're interested in the products I talked about today, there are affiliate links down in my description, and if you purchase through those links, I get a small commission, which is an easy and free way for you to support the channel. So thanks. Other than that, I guess I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.